So good morning, ma'am. Today I will discuss about my website. So the title of my website is MJ Barbershop, which is my dream in someday in the future. So in this page we can see a logo, the upper left, and some icons here which is the transition of 0.5 seconds. And in this side, upper right side, I put side menu or side nav which has home, features, services, and meet us. So I will discuss about the home. Let's go to the Visual Studio Code. So the first one I open a folder in this app which is my folder barbershop for me to make my coding. So I put index HTML and size style CSS. The first one is to put HTML in the very first of your coding, and the heading and the title which is Jordan's first website, as you can see here in my website. Here, this is the title of my website. Here, Jordan's first website. Here. So for the background, for the background of my website, I put here picture of my folder which is this one, in order to put my picture on the background of my website. So here I put background which is linear gradient. So I put a style in my background which is color black, and as you can see here it's black. It's black on the other portion, lower portion of my background. So section ID equals banner here, and image src for the logo, which is the logo barbershop in this one, the logo, as we can see here, the logo. So on the other hand, we put div class banner text, and the first heading for MJ Barbershop, or the title of my website. And here for the first paragraph for the quotation, and div, I put div class equals banner btn for the href equals asterisk span, and to find out which is this one, find out and read more. So for the transition, I put here transition is 0.5 seconds, which has a color, is the white color, the transition, and border 5, and for the side knob here, as you can see, the side knob, I put it in the upper right of my first page. It's just a background of you call this 009688. So you can adjust the color of it. It depends on you. You can add white or anything that you want. So I put here green, light green. for this one. So the next one is menu button. The index HTML. For the menu button, I put home, this one, home, features, services, and meet us. So li a href banner home a li. So I copy this and change this home features, and this one, the banner feature for the side knob. For the menu, I put here some pictures that I search here in the menu. So the next page is features. So on the other hand, the next page, I put section ID feature, this one, div class, title text, for the this one, style CSS. So features, first paragraph, and heading 1, why choose us, and div class feature box, and the style CSS, here one, the title text. So the title text is, I put a color which is this one, and white for features here, and I make this one style, and in this one, absolute position, absolute index, transform, rotate, and border top left radius 35. For the title text heading 1, I put a font size of 50 px. px, this one. I put here some icons that I search in website. So let me check the icons here. Media screen, images, flex basis, max width. So this one is for the fonts, and in order for the what you call this, in order for you to, if you click this one, if you click this one, it will directly go to its position. So features, for the features, I copy this one only, div class, and so for the icons here, this one, the shield, this one, 1 2 3, I put iClass Fafa shield, which I search for the website for this icon, feature icon. So Fafa shield in the first one, And the second one is Fafa check square O, which is this one, square O. There's a check on it. And the last one is Fafa INR. H For the div class, I put features image, and this one I get my image here in my folder. So the next one is services. The next page is services. I put section ID service, and we copy this one and this. Yeah, I only copy this one and paste it here. And for the services, I put some pictures and a background text in it. Let me take for example, it has a pictures in the services. It has a picture and a background text in it. Yeah, this one. Yeah, this one. So the first photo, we have hairstyling and bird trim. Yeah. And next one is haircut. Tired of some do. It's a haircut for minutes. And lastly, dry shampoo. So I make this with a background color of light green. So if you put your cursor here, it will appear, the text will appear in your image. Yeah. And some meanings for hairstylings, bird trim, haircut, and dry shampoo. Put it. So in the style CSS, which, yeah, the icon, for the service, yeah, here. The one that you call, if you put the cursor, which is, and the text is seen is overlay, which is I overlay all the pictures in my services in order for the text to be seen if you put the cursor. So width is 100%, height 100%, position absolute, top, and some background linear gradient RGBA black, and 009688 with a transition of 1 second. You can also adjust the transition of this one, which is I put 1 second because I want the faster transition. You can also put a slower transition if you want. So the next one is meet us. We have background here, background photo here, which is the background of my last page. Some title, contact, and visit our shop. So we have here some icon, which is a clock and some location, paper plane, and phone. In this bottom one, in the bottom, I put some icons, which is Facebook, Instagram. For the social links, I put Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. So let's go to the index. So simply I copy this one for the next page, and some put opening hours for and for the next paragraph, I put P I class. For the icon, fafaklak dash O, Monday to Friday, and copy and change this one. And for the next one, I put div class equals footer right, and heading 1, get in touch. So paragraph 1, so I put my location here um, with some icon here, I class fafa dash map dash marker. And the second one is the email, and some icon which is fafa paper plane, and the 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 telephone number. And so for the social links, in the bottom we have social links, which is I put iClass, and here Fafa Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube Play for the icon. So in the style CSS, I put some transitions and colors, some backgrounds, and the fonts here. Yeah, font size, line height, some color, and yeah, that's all for the style CSS and index. So in order for this menu to be clicked, this one, I put here some menu on click, menu btn dot on click to function the click of the side nav, this one. So menu is our close, else side nav dot style dot right minus 250 px menu. So here the caption is all animations will take exactly 500 ms. So bar scroll will smooth scroll with the speed of 1000. Yeah, here. And last one is script and body and HTML for the last one. So right, this is my website, ma'am. I hope you like it, and that's all. Thank you, ma'am. This is Jordan Morales.